Entry protocol into the courtroom is thanksgiving and praise. We cross the threshold with honor, enter his gates with thanksgiving, and his courts with praise. Psalm 100, verse 4. The court of the sovereign king, Mount Zion Division, is now in session. Let the docket be opened. Case reference DC, ALN, Matthew 6:33. Hearing on the statute of alignment and addition. The record before this bench reads, "But seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." Clause 1. Seek first. The directive, seek first, establishes jurisdiction of priority. The order of pursuit determines the order of provision. What is honored first becomes the authority over what follows. Clause 2. The kingdom of God. This is not a realm of abstraction, but the active government of the supreme ruler. To seek the kingdom is to submit to its constitution, its justice, and its law. Clause 3, his righteousness. The word dikaiosune means alignment with divine order, moral, legal, and relational rightness. It defines the standard of access. The citizen cannot claim addition while living outside of alignment. Clause 4, all these things shall be added. The verb shall be added, prostitemi, is a judicial assurance of lawful increase. Addition is not chance. It is the court's response to correct priority. The record shows that when order is restored, provision follows as enforcement. Therefore, I, the petitioner, appearing under lawful adoption and sealed by the governor, do hereby file this petition for alignment and addition. O Supreme Ruler, faithful and just, I appeal to the statute of Matthew 6:33. Let my priorities be brought under the governance of your kingdom. Let every divided affection and unlawful pursuit be dismissed for lack of jurisdiction. Establish within me the rule of first things, your will, your word, your righteousness. As I seek first the kingdom, decree that all required resources be lawfully added, time, strength, wisdom, relationships, and provision sufficient for every good work. Authorize the governor, Spirit of holiness, to administer these additions in right measure and timing. Let anxiety, striving, and comparison be struck from the record. Replace them with trust, peace, and gratitude, the lawful currencies of heaven. I submit this petition for alignment and addition. Enter it into the archives of the kingdom as Lex Pleurosis, Section 3. The Statute of Added Resources. I acknowledge receipt by faith. I file thanksgiving as Exhibit A of enforcement, so ordered by the court of heaven through the King Jesus the Anointed and administered by the governor, Spirit of holiness. Let the record show, to those who seek first the kingdom, addition is guaranteed. Lex Regni, Lex Caritatis, Lex Spiritus, filed in the archives of the kingdom. Mount Zion Division, crowned petitions, filed for enforcement in the court of the sovereign king.